Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share 3 Buddhism temple statue 3D models for your 3D animations and game developing project. And first you can just go to my video descriptions to download the 3D models collections of the Buddhism temple statue. And there are totally three models. The first one is the Bodhisattva. Once you download it have the FBX, GLB and also the Blender file. If you double click the FBX in Windows 10, it is going to open by using the 3D viewer. And of course, you can directly import it into any of your 3D software like the Character Creator 4, iClone, Maya, Unreal Engines, Blender, etc. because it is an FBX file. If you open with the Blender, it is going to open by using the Blender. Alright, this is a complete 3D model. There are totally 3. I'm going to just open it and show you. The second one is the Mahayana Amitabha. It is also one of the really famous statue in Buddhism's temple. This is the Mahayana, and also the last one is the Siddhartha Gautama Buddha, and usually what we call Buddha. Alright, this is the Buddha statue. Of course, all of this statue you can just use it in your 3D scenes, put it into the temple in your 3D scenes, then make it realistic. And it is really look like a statue. This is not a realistic humans, this is just a statue. Alright. That's all for today about my sharings of the 3D models of Buddhism temples statues collections in FBX format, GLB format, and also Blender project file. And all of these are 3D models. They are game ready and also low poly. And you can use it for fun as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!